Okay, so for your arm, first thing you want to do is you want to fold it on all of these little seams nice and tight. You don't need to fold the X and Y tabs, just the pieces. And you want to fold these little tabs too. You want to fold this X, or the square, sorry, not the X. And then you want to fold that. Okay, and so what you're going to need is you're going to bend this up like so. So again, you'll just bend your arms up like so. Take them, close the tabs like that, so kind of like they look like swinging doors, kind of like that. This is where you want a glue stick. So you want to put the glue on the bottom of that gray right there, so that all you do is you bend this up, close that, and then you pinch this gray tab inside like so, and then you just hold it so the glue fixes itself, and there's your arm. And that's how you make your arm.